The demand for everyday carry pistols is on the increase. As much as I'd love to tell you that all pistols on the market are good for everyday carry, I'd be lying if I did, and here, we only share honest reviews and recommendations. If you're looking for the best EDC pistol for 2024, no worries, no panics, because you're in the right channel. I'll share with you the best EDC pistols you should have beside you. Do you want to know the best EDC pistols right out of the box that will enhance your shooting deliverability better than most shooters? Hang on a sec and you will. But before I go on about that, it'd be a great addition to us if you could take a moment to join this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Every day, we see the numbers increase and we're encouraged to put out better content that resonates well with our audience, so please do us the honor of becoming a part of us. Thank you, and now, let's check out the top 10 EDC pistols for 2024. H9 is a striker-fired handgun that means business in every situation. It has a low bore axis that helps reduce recoil and muzzle flips and allows faster, more accurate follow-up shots. It's a customizable EDC and fully concealable. H9 is also fully ambidextrous with a 15-round magazine capacity. The fit and finish are great, and the 1911 style grip ergonomics make it a natural sharp shooter. The trigger is one of the best parts, having a short, smooth pull with a reset that makes follow-up shots fast. Getting this out of the box will cost you $461. Featuring a patented magazine with a best-in-class capacity of 11+1 and 13+1 with an included extended magazine, the Hellcat is a good choice for everyday carry with adaptive grip texture and high visibility sights. Fact speaking, it's the highest capacity micro-compact 9mm in the world, weighing just 18.3 ounces. Tested and trusted, Hellcat has no issues or developing malfunctions to get 17 rounds of ammo. It features top flight serrations that make it easy to rack the Hellcat quickly if things go sideways. Not only do we have to talk about its marvelous ergonomics, but Hellcat is made to fire on target without any miss. It has an amazing grip. The price range is, on average, $600. You can surely bet it's one of the EDC pistols for shooting competitions or helping you in a cold situation. If you're new to Walther brand products, they came into the US market in the early 1980s. Walther is a beautiful design like a Barbie. Walther PDP match is steel framed and can endure the harshest of conditions. It's a lightning fast piece of handgun. This pistol is calibrated in the dynamic performance trigger, which helps significantly reduce trigger weight and reset making. The Walther PDP is engineered with the popular red dot sight system, and also with its tetrahedron design, it's non-abrasive. The standard budget hinges around $699 to get this handgun. Also, Walther has broken the mold with a super terrain design to raise the serrations above the surface of the slide, offering a new, more positive feel to operating the action. Glock 19 is a beast of a pistol. It's designed without a finger groove to accommodate any hand size by mounting the different back straps. It's incredibly ambidextrous and fully concealable. Glock 19 can throw out 3,500 rounds with zero issues. It features a 15 standard magazine capacity with the option of 17 rounds of magazine. The Glock 19 is handy, weighing 21.52 ounces. It's budget friendly and costs $539 out of the box. Just imagine, you have a toy that only turns on when you press a specific button, lift a small lever, and twist a knob all at the same time. Even if one of these actions happens accidentally, the toy will only turn on if all three steps are done correctly. That's the incredible feature of the Glock 19 Gen 5 safety action. It's a fantastic concealed carry handgun. Whether walking or running on the treadmill or outside with your date, the Beretta M9 is an invisible concealable pistol that no one can detect on you. M9 is a deadly gun used by the military to bash skulls in combat. It's a good solid weapon valued at $469. This World Defender, as it's commonly called, houses a 10-round magazine capacity and its overall width is 6.1 inches. The M9 is built like a tank, accurate, great for home defense, and teaching others to shoot. It has a firm ergonomic and plastic grip, and the accuracy and precision are unparalleled. It's easy for anyone to use. The last striking feature of the M9 is the double action, engineered to offer the convenience of not needing to cock the hammer manually before firing each time. The P365 is a concealed carry pistol. It features an X-ray sight, enhancing your visibility both daytime and at night. In addition, this pistol is engineered to perform reliably, capable of firing about 200 rounds without a single issue. The extended slide with a 3.7-inch barrel enhances your sight radius and helps manage recoil, making it easy to control. The P365 Micro offers a high magazine capacity, which houses 12 rounds and an extended 15-round magazine. It's super semi-automatic and easily disassembled. The G19 is lightweight and powerful, with features like a flared magwell for swift reloads. The removal of finger grooves improves grip ergonomics and caters to various hand sizes. It's super ambidextrous. For those who demand precision, performance, and a touch of elegance, the Smith & Wesson M&P 9M 2.0 metal should be your perfect choice. The ergonomic design includes an optimal 18-degree grip angle for a natural point of aim and 4 interchangeable palms well grip, suitable and comfortable for any hand size. The textured polymer front strap enhances grip stability, while the wide slide stop and reversible magazine release offer versatility for both left and right-handed shooters. Also, it features a slight cut for optics, making it accurate for good positioning and easily hitting the tiny red dot sight. With a low barrel bore axis, this pistol reduces muzzle flip, making it comfortable to shoot and allowing for faster aim recovery. Disassembly is safe and straightforward thanks to M&P's patented takedown lever and sear deactivation systems, allowing easy cleaning and maintenance. With a full-sized frame, an overall weight of 30 ounces, and a capacity of 17 rounds, the M&P 9M 2.0 metal is a versatile and reliable option for any shooter. For the big fans of M&P, the price is $899. Rock Standard FS is another amazing piece of handgun. It has a 10-round magazine capacity and a barrel length of 5 inches. It's designed with a polymer grip that's very easy to clean and provides a secure hold even when wet. Also, it offers a comfortable and reliable surface for the shooter, enhancing control and stability. This gun guarantees manual safety and a single action. It's a semi-automatic pistol that's recoil-operated and ensures the shooter's safety by quickly taking a second shot if the first one misses or if additional targets appear. Valued at $479, FS can go through 2,000 rounds at maximum without any signs of malfunctions. The CZ Shadow 2 Compact is a compact-sized firearm for users. It's an amazing metal gun with a special finish for the slide, barrel, and optics views. Shadow 2 has significantly reduced weight, but it's still chambered in 15-round standard magazines with an 18-round extended magazine, which is more than enough for most self-defense situations. Of course, Shadow 2 is designed to have a manual safety notch aiming to prevent accidental booms. The Shadow 2 is the finest firearm you'll encounter. It's a masterpiece that's highly valued at about $1,000. The market price varies, but you can get the least price around $1,200. Big and expensive, but highly valuable. Over the years, I've enjoyed different products from Heckler & Koch. This brand's quality and craftsmanship are world-renowned, and the P30 SK V3 is no exception. Today, you can get the HK P30 to add to your collection. It's incredibly ergonomic and, of course, fully ambidextrous. Its ergonomic features include a special grip frame with interchangeable backstrap inserts and lateral plates, allowing the pistol to be individually adapted to any user. Also, it has a nice square trigger guard large enough to accommodate bigger hands. The length of this barrel is 3.84 inches and it's 1.53 inches wide. It has a 15-round magazine capacity chambered in 9mm. Another striking feature of P30s is the efficient trigger system, which complements the double-action hammer system. This amazing feature puts users at ease of use and safety in a convenient, innovative trigger operation, reducing the chance of unintended firing. The price tag of the P30 is $800. And so, here, we've covered the 10 best EDC pistols for 2024. What's your favorite pistol out of all of these? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video useful, a like and share would really help. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of our upcoming content. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, happy shooting!